Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Hesh Evo and install the Skullcandy app, then enable Bluetooth and location on your phone. Once done, power the headphones on and force pairing mode so the LED flashes. This tells both devices they're ready to talk. Make sure no other Bluetooth audio connections are active because interference will block pairing. Then open the Skullcandy app right away so it can detect new devices, keeping the headphones close to the phone speed's discovery. With the app open, follow on-screen prompts and tap Add Device or scan the device list. The Skullcandy app actively searches for Bluetooth peripherals. You'll see Hesh Evo appear. Tap it to initiate the handshake. The app may request permissions or offer a firmware update. Allow these so the headphones operate correctly. Once the app shows a connection status, it negotiates profiles for audio and controls. Make sure to stay on this screen until the app confirms the link, because premature exits can abort setup. After the app confirms connection, test audio and button functions immediately so you catch issues while still in setup mode. Once confirmed, use the Skullcandy app to customize EQ, presets, and any advanced settings or firmware options the app provides. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Forget the Hesh Evo in your phone Bluetooth, power cycle both devices, and rerun pairing from the app. That sequence clears stale profiles and resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.